Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my first video on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be going over my strategy and what I do. It's called opening range break. If you guys don't know anything about opening range break, we'll get right into it. It's going to be the complete basics. If you guys do want to learn more, I'm going to create more videos, but complete basics, this is how I do it. Alright, so right here, we're going to be going over our opening range break strategy, and it takes around 5 minutes to do. Go next slide. What is orb? I'll refer to opening range break as orb. Opening range break is where stocks develop a range in the first 3 to 10 minutes of market opening, and the open range break is defined as the high and the low of the first 5 minutes. This is critical because it kind of sets the direction and tone for where the market is going to be going for the rest of the day. When to trade opening range break. When you want to trade your opening range break is from 6:30 to 7 a.m. Those are just my times. You can trade this after 7:30. Anything after that will kind of just not have a clear follow through though, so watch out for that. This entire trade can last like 5 to 30 seconds, but if you're a bigger risker, it can take up to 20 minutes. Also, risk management and your edge really plays a big part in how long you hold the trade. And I trade orb on big moving stocks like Tesla, SPY, Nvidia, Meta. We want things with high volatility. Another thing I want to point out is staying in these trades longer has a higher chance of resulting in a loss. Another thing that I think is going to be important is that you guys have to cut your wins short and your losses even shorter. I heard that from a trader called E-Man Trading. He is a really good trader. He trades futures now, but he started out with options, and I took from him and Matt Diamond, who trade these strategies and who are consistently profitable, or they cut their profits short and their losses even shorter. That is very important now. Opening range break can have a really high win rate if you trade it right. So cut your profits short and cut your losses even shorter. It's 2 lines, it's not hard to do, but it's your mental capability of being able to get out of a trade and take your profits. Oh, one thing I forgot is why you will fail at this strategy. The only reason you're gonna fail is being impatient. Being impatient leads to bad setups, chasing bad trades, chasing losses, just being impatient. That is a huge problem, and if you can't control this, you're gonna blow your account. You could just be patient, wait for the right setups, get out early, get out even earlier. Those $20 every day can add up. $100 every day can add up. Sorry about that, the camera just died on me, but we were just going over how being impatient will cause you to fail. Make sure to write that down. Being impatient will cause you to fail. This is simple. I've failed multiple times. It's okay. It's okay. What we're gonna go over now is the actual strategy. Right now we're gonna be looking at Tesla. As you can see, I kinda already did this. I don't ever trade on TradingView. I trade on Webull, but we're not. We can start on a different date. We'll go back to the 11th, or the 6th. Let's go to the 6th. That's my cousin's birthday. September 6th is the date we're going back to. So right here, we do have Tesla. We're gonna fast forward this a little bit. That's the opening candle. This is a closing candle. So these are random candles. I can't guarantee this will work. We don't know. I can't tell you if this will work. We're doing this in real time with you guys, all right? So, right here we have our first 2. We're on the minute chart. We have our first 2 candles here. We're kind of looking at our previous day. I always recommend looking at the previous day. I never trade on this, so I don't know the controls here. But it looks like, so right here we can say is resistance. Really did have a hard time breaking out through here. We could say that this was an all-time or previous day high, and then we'll mark the next low. Okay, so we have 3 lines in the chart. resistance. Resistance are previous high day and our low of day. So let's go back. We have our 2 minutes going through. You can kind of see that we are targeting the previous low of day in the first 3 minutes. So we have the fair value gap here. We have this. We're gonna go the next minute. Okay, we're having resistance at that low. We're gonna keep going. Okay, this is 5 minutes. We break through. As you guys can see, we have a high here. This will be our high of day, the first 5 minutes. This is our low of day. Okay. I draw these lines angled. You want to angle them just a little bit, not too much, not too crazy. All right, and then I'm gonna tell y'all what I do next. So we wait for this candle. Nothing happens. Okay. We get breakthrough. We get breakthrough. So the first thing you want to notice when something hits one of your lines, the first thing you want to look at is if it's gonna go back to the range, pull back. You kind of want to see what it's gonna do. Low of day is gonna be drawn with the upwards candle or upwards line, and our high of day is gonna be drawn with a downwards line. But when we pierce through one of our lines, either our high of day or low of day, is when it has that opening range break. I would keep going. As you can see, it breaks through. The candlestick just moved down $2. If you got in right here at this line where you're supposed to, and the reason we draw our candles or our lines at a angle is it ensures a not too early entry but not too late entry. If it's straight. So when we got in right here, you'll notice you got a $2 difference. Look at that. You could have stopped out. I would have got out. It's okay. Look at that. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Whatever. I would have got out on this green candle. I don't care. It does not work every single time. It does not work every single time. You'll have to realize that. And yeah, that is how you. But yeah, guys, that is how I trade the opening range break. If you guys do want to live trade with me, I do have a Discord linked in the bio. I'll have it linked in the description as well. It's completely free. I don't do courses. I don't believe in the trading gurus. And I'm gonna walk y'all through it every single day. And the process, the psychology, everything that goes into this, I am gonna walk you guys through it. But if you guys do want to join the Discord, it is in the link in the description. If not, it's totally okay. I'm gonna be going over some other stuff in my next videos, especially the edge and your psychology. If you guys do want to hear about that, hit the subscribe button, hit this like button, and then tune in with me later. Alright, boys, I'm gonna catch y'all. Yes, sir.